Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft we're making turkey headbands. The supplies we need for this craft are glue, scissors, construction paper, brown, orange, black, and white. First we're going to take the brown and we're going to make 2 strips, and we're going to adjust the strips to fit your head. Okay, and then we're going to take the orange and we're going to make a big beak like this, triangle. And we're going to just press it down. And then we're going to take the orange and the brown and we're going to make feathers. This is how mine look. And then we're going to take the white and we're going to make big circles. And we're going to just kind of cover the beak a little. And then we're going to take the black and we're going to make littler circles. And then I'm going to get the headband ready to be put on us. And this is our turkey headband. Hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.